Hello, Hull class. Today we're going to be thinking a little bit more about the story Farmer Duck. I hope you enjoyed listening to it on our Storytime playlist. Here's a little picture from the story. Look at that poor duck. He doesn't look very happy, does he? You can tell from the way he's standing. His head's bent over. I think he's feeling rather miserable. And I think I know who this is in bed. Let's have a little look. Yes, it was the farmer who was being extremely lazy, eating all the chocolates, reading the paper, doing none of the work. Can you remember how the story started? Let's read that first sentence together. There once was a duck who had the bad luck to live with a lazy old farmer. The duck did the work. The farmer stayed all day in bed. Look, so he's bringing him now more food, ice cream, so the farmer can just lie in bed, eat chocolates, drink, and do no work. I want you to read this sentence and have a think who I mean when I wrote this. I wrote, he was fed up. Who was fed up? Tell your grown up now, who was feeling fed up? So who could this be? Who did you think of? Well, I think that it's the duck. So I'm going to say the duck was feeling fed up because he did all the work. The farmer got fat through staying in bed, and the poor duck got fed up with working all day. The duck brought the sheep from the hill. How goes the work? Called the farmer. The duck answered, Quack! The duck put the hens in their house. How goes the work? Called the farmer. The duck answered, Quack! The work was too much for him. Why? Why was the work too much for him, do you think, in the story? What work was he doing? He had lots of jobs to do, didn't he? Write some sentences now about all the different jobs you can remember the duck having to do. Pause the video while you get those sentences written. Next, we're going to have a little think about when the duck says, Quack! What words might the duck say? So if the duck could speak like we speak, what do you think the duck might be saying? Let's have a think. So he's up some ladders. It looks like he's picking apples from this apple tree for the farmer. The farmer's asking him, how goes the work? How is it going? Right, I think the duck might say, it's going well. I've nearly got them all, and then I'll bring you the eggs. I think the duck might be saying something like that. How goes the work? It's going well. I've nearly got them all, and then I'll bring you the eggs. So now we're going to have a little think about this picture from the story. What might the characters be saying in this picture? So we've got the duck. Maybe you can think of some ideas that he might say. And we've got this sheep. I wonder what this sheep might be saying. Let's have a think. I think the sheep's looking quite sorry for the duck. And I think maybe the sheep might say, "Be careful, duck. Be careful, duck. Don't hurt your back when you put me down." I think he might be concerned and want the duck to be very careful. Be careful, duck. Don't hurt your back when you put me down. Have a think about your ideas and write some sentences about what the sheep might be saying. Remember, your capital letters and full stops, they're very important, or use a question mark if it's a question. His friends on the farm made a plan to get rid of the farmer. Can you remember this picture? Your last job today is to have a think about the picture and think, if the animals could talk to each other, what might they be saying was their plan? So I want you to write down some of the animals' ideas to get rid of the lazy old farmer. I've started this list for you. I think that first, number 1, sneak inside and creep up the stairs. Number 2, well, that's over to you. So finish those ideas in the right order for what you think the animal's plan was. Well done, everybody. When you've finished your work, please take a photo and send it to Miss Creaser or to me. That's all for now. Bye.